A simple stock trading volume, a spike, tips and tips. Simple stock trading volume, a spike, tips and tricks. We are on the monthly chart of L Brands Incorporation, Epic LB Lima Bravo. This is a Russell 1000 components. And we want to share with day traders, swing traders, position traders, simple stock trading volume spike, tips and tricks. I want to clarify with traders that when we're talking about volume spike, trading volume spike, we are talking about a surge in trading volume, okay? A significant increase in trading volume. So we have one example here. You can see where I place this arrow on my chart, that we have a surge in trading volume, all right? So here we have average volume in the zone of 50 million shares. Now we have a spike in trading volume, pushing the average volume up to the zone of 100 million shares. So whenever you hear, okay, the word volume spike or surge in trading volume or increase in trading volume is the same thing, all right? So when we see a surge in trading volume like this, how do we handle it? So we can see here, pay attention, my friend. So you see this very often on the monthly chart. You can see that the price is forming higher lows, higher high here. So this is the definition of an uptrend. So in an uptrend, we must pay attention to a new higher high, okay? All right. So you can see that the bullish momentum was quite strong and the price went above this blue rising channel, displayed this significant high. As I explained to you already, in an uptrend, we are paying attention to the high, new higher high, okay? New higher high, very important. So on this monthly chart, the price pulled back here, okay, pull back. This is an invitation to buy, pull back to retest the top of the blue channel, okay, see here, price breaks above the blue channel, okay, retest that channel. This is an invitation to buy because we have a higher high followed by a lower high. Trader responded to buy, but the price failed to display a new higher high. So after this invitation to buy, the price couldn't display a new higher high in comparison to the prior high here. So though we have a surge in trading volume here or a spike in stock volume here, all right, the momentum is diminishing because the price has failed to display a new high high, in fact has displayed equal high here. And also not only that, it went below the rising channel, all right? So how do we handle that? So a lot of blah, 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 blah has been going on the internet about trading volume is the number of share. So if total amount of share that has been transacted, whether they bought it or sell it, combining the selling activity and the buying activity all together, put together, that's what make the volume, the trading volume. So here we have a volume spike. But remember, we are not trading the volume, all right? We are not trading the technical indicator, the volume bar. We are trading the price. So usually traders spend most of their time paying attention to the volume bar. So we have a spike, it's definitely going to go up. Who told you that? All right? Okay? Now, so what has happened if the price dip below the rising channel? Now it's trying to retest it. Will it continue to go down after retesting it? All right. So is this volume bar buying activity or a selling activity? Think of it. Are they buyers or sellers? So you want to know, whenever you see a surge into the volume, you want to ascertain that, okay, are they buyers or sellers? very simple. So as I promised you, we want to share stock trading volume, spike, tips and tricks. So what you need to do, after you see the surge in trade volume, highlight the high, the low, and the median line of that candlestick bar. So that candlestick bar, if you're a monthly chart, that candlestick bar must close first. All right? So after that candlestick bar is closed, at the end of the month, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line. So if the stock, if they are buying, what you will see, if they are truly buying, what you will see, the price will go, the price will stay above the median line of that candlestick bar. That's the first condition. If they are truly buying, the price will find a support above the median line of that candlestick bar. Now, the second verification is that if they are truly buying, the price will go above the high of that candlestick bar. So, first condition that we verify is it at least above the median line of that candlestick bar. This is critical. The next step is it forming higher lows, higher high. Is it find, does the price find a support above that median line? If they continue to buy, as I told you, the price will continue to go up and break above the high of that candlestick bar and find a support, which means the price will display a new higher high in comparison to the high of this candlestick bar and continue to go up in a rising channel, as I will show you here, that in an uptrend, we are paying attention to the high, and in a downtrend, we pay attention to the lows. If they are selling, okay, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line. If they are selling, normally the price should remain below the median line of that candlestick bar. The second step is that the price will continue to go down, display lower lows, lower high, and we go below the low of this candlestick bar here. And the price will be in a declining channel. So where are we now? So you say, George, I hear you. Where are we now? We are above the median line. But if you did not draw this trend line, you will know that there is another resistance right above here. All right? We are above the median line. Okay, but because I draw my trend line now I can see that there's another resistance, which is this trend line here. So how do we handle that? Okay? How do we handle it? If you want to buy, you are looking first for a trading setup. This is it. Volume spike. What has happened in fact? Look carefully, my friend. I'm drawing another line. I'm going to color it now into pink. You see here? The high of this candle forming a higher high. So the price, you see, it did below that pink line all the way down here. But it quickly, you see the tail of this candle, it went back up to close there. It's not by mistake. The price was trying to retest the top of this high here. So it went to display higher high, higher lows. Now as it pulled back, it retests this high here. But it went below it, but they don't like it. So they close it just on the edge of it nicely. So the price now above that high at 6741. And we have also a surge in trading volume bar. And we are also above the median line. The median line is at a 7049. For 7049, that's the median line of this candlestick bar. But we have a little bit of challenge because we have this trend line ahead of us. So if we want to buy, all right, it will be better to buy above, okay, the red line, above the trend line here. So what do I mean by buy? It means that we find the price. Now, suppose you go to the weekly chart or daily chart, you see that the price closed one particular day or one particular week above the red line. Then you will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Right? It makes sense? It makes sense? Let's check how long I'll be talking to you. Okay, almost 10 minutes. We want to keep it very short. All right, so also if we draw the median line of our rising channel, if we buy above the median line, okay, so price close above the median line, we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. It start going up. Pay attention to the level of 8015, 8015. There's a resistance there. All right, so if you buy above the red line, Your target is near 8015. Okay, allow it now to go above, so break above 8015, retest it and confirm it as a support level. Then you take it up again to the edge of the top of the rising channel. Then you bank your profit again, and then you wait again. So you will say again, you may draw another line at the level of 90. Okay, in the level of 90 in that zone. So you reach that level, go brace above, retest. Implement a top-down trading method, one step at a time. All right? So you see now, it's very simple, right? So this is a simple stock trading volume spike, tips and tricks. We don't want to spend too much time on the trading volume because we are not trading the trading volume, but we are using, okay, the stock trading volume spike to trade the price itself, the price action, the price structure. So what has happened, the price breaks above this high here, the high that I told you before, 6741, the peak line here. Now it displays high lows, high. Now it came back to retest that high, which is the pink line here. Now we have a surge in trading volume. If they are buying, the price should be above the median line of this tall candle, C-bar. Now, the median line is at 7049, the price now above that level. But we have the red line ahead of us, which is the resistance of this, rising channel. If the price going up, so I'm going to switch now. So you're a monthly chart. If your trading setup is on a monthly chart, you combine monthly chart with daily chart, hourly chart. If you want to drop it down to the weekly chart, 4-hour time frame, 50-minute time frame. If you want to drop it to the daily chart, okay, it's up to you. I don't do that, okay? Unless you are using a specific trading system, that's different. But if you want to use the daily chart, hourly chart, 10-minute time frame. Okay. All right. It makes sense? If I go now to so pay attention to the pink line and I'll color the other one also into orange. I'm wrapping it up now. Okay. All right. Pay attention to the pink line and the orange line and also the red line. I'm going to switch to the 30-minute time frame. Hopefully we can see. You see, these are the lines we are looking at now. You see now? The line, okay? This is the trail line. The red trail line is here. Okay? See, the orange line is also here. All right? The pink line is here. Okay? You see now? They are all here on the 30-minute time frame. They probably form a kind of V pattern here on the 30-minute time frame. All right? You want to buy. Allow it to go above the level of, the red line, which is near the level 7200. All right? Oops. This is what I don't like. Okay, I'm moving line now. Okay, so it's gone. All right. Allow it to go above the red line. All right. Very important. And then come back and retest it. And continue to go up. All right. This is the end of this tutorial about simple stock trading volume spike tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about simple stock trading volume spike tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.